Welcome back to Let's Play Game. This is my third video today. Today I'll be just doing a vlog. Doing a vlog. I'm really bored right now. Oh gosh, I have like nothing to do. I just started uploading my other Pixelmon 3D video, and I did a bunch of other things. I'm really bored. That's not why I made a YouTube video, so people do not be thinking that. If I can get 4 likes on this video, I will give away a Google Play card. I'll give away a Google Play card. And I'll give away a Google Play card and it'll be awesome. So Hey Sarah. Hey Sarah. What's Sarah? Whoa. Alright, I got Sarah to go away. And never mind, she's like, look Sarah. Look. Look Sarah. Look, is she? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look, there's you. Yeah, there's you. I love this dog. She's so smart. Sarah's one of my favorite dogs. Hi, Kim. Hi. I love you, girl. Love you. Alright, guys. Our host today will be Sarah. If you guys haven't met her, just make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. I'll leave a link in the description if you subscribe. No, I actually don't need any more subscribers than I have. I'd really appreciate it if you guys did subscribe. It helps me a lot, and every time I make a new, make sure to hit the bell on the right side of your screen, and you'll get notified every time I make a video, and it's all the way uploaded. And I do not do like none of that other stuff, like never mind, just forget the topic. Well, right now it was just gonna be a short video because I made 3 today, and I will see you guys in a minute. Sorry guys, if you do not like my channel, do not subscribe and leave, or no, if you do not like this video, leave a thumbs down. Do not subscribe and never watch my channel again. No, I'm just kidding. I just heard a weird noise. Alright, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to leave this video right here. I'm really scared.